Hello. I'm back. This is our last video. So I did 4 videos in one day. But you guys, they will be released over time. I think this will be, I actually probably need to release these all at one time because I think it's things that has a timestamp on them. Like we need to get the message out. I want to talk about the PPE loan or PPP loan. You guys be careful with that. I know that any and everybody is filling out those applications, guarantee approval. I can tell you that when this all first started, my bank sent me a postcard. I was one of the first ones that got that offer. And I looked at it and I threw it in the trash. And here's why. Because at the time, I have money in the bank. I have assets. I have a home that has equity in it. I have a 401. I have stocks. So there were things that I knew I could have cashed in instead of getting a loan. Listen to what they're saying, loan. And how they're getting you is that they're telling you that it is possibly can be forgiven. In the fine print somewhere is going to tell you that the only way that your loan will be forgiven is ... and you don't qualify for ... okay? If a government pretty much co-sign your loan, which is what student loans are, okay? I want you to get where I'm going with this. That's why I'm getting really close to the camera, because I want you to hear me. Our student loans are never forgiven. The only way your student loan is forgiven is if someone pass away or permanently disabled and you can no longer work and you're on fixed income. Other than that, Sally Mae and them, and when I say and them, I mean all the other people that buy these loans from Sally Mae, are coming after you. They want their money. They'll start, if you don't defer your payments and communicate with the student loan company, they will first start taking your income tax, and then they will start garnishing your checks. Guess what's going to happen with all these people that's getting these PPE loans and PPP loans and whatever this stuff is? Because you don't qualify. You don't have 9 employees, 5 employees, 1 employee. All of my people work from home. Arise, never shut down. I have e-commerce. My stores never shut down. Business may have slowed up, but it never shut down. Don't get these loans to start businesses because you don't know what the economy is going to do. If you have a business and you actually had to employ people and you took a loss, that's one thing. You can write that stuff off on your taxes, which you should have done, which your tax person should have done for you. Or you get your PPP loan to sustain your business. It's a loan. You will pay it back. You will pay it back. And a lot of people are going to jail. They are already cracking down. So just don't do it. It's not worth it. Getting $20,000 to stunt on Instagram is not worth it, you guys. Trust me, the come up over here that you are about to see, if I decide to make it public, is all hard work and diligence. Prayer, hard work, and diligence and sacrifice. All my children are grown. I don't take care of nobody. So any extra money that I have, I can invest and spend it on myself. But I had young children too, and I couldn't go and do the things that I really want to do. But now they all have their own money. They can get their own jobs and get their own life, and I can do what I want to do with my money. But you have to go through your course in life. And don't try to take the elevator. Take the stairs. It's not worth it, okay? So I just wanted to put that out there. Don't be swayed by these gurus online telling you to go get that loan, because let them destroy their financial life. Don't you do it, okay? Go get back to work. Go back to work and be grateful for breath. I'll see you guys later. Bye.